beautiful town of Kochi, and I'm here with Yoshi, and she's going to introduce us to this beautiful city.
We're here at paper making facility, and Kochi is famous for beautiful washi, Japanese paper. Well, already the preparation is done, so you stir water in the tank, and we have frame for postcards. We shake it, and when the thickness becomes even, we press the frame to drain water. Yes. Over, and after it's dried, it's done, and you get beautiful Japanese paper called washi. Yes. And Kochi is famous for roasted bonito, and more than anything else, people in Kochi drink a lot of sake. We love drinking sake so much that we can drink from 9 in the morning. More than anything else, women can drink as well at the table. In other cities, they're supposed to cook and serve dishes, but here we have dishes on a bigger plate, and the women like me will be sitting at the table and enjoy eating and drinking. Yes.
That's my kind of place. But it is now one of my most favorite places to visit in Japan.
Thank you. So you must come visit Kochi, because I'm sure you'll have a wonderful time here.